Oh, this is amazing.
We need more people to look up here. Oh, there's
Oh,
also
ready?
one.
3, 2, 1, now. Why are they passing up? How dare they without having... What's this then, eh? Wait. 3, 2... Oh, okay. Didn't this time. I mean, it's almost harvesting season. It is almost harvesting season, just so we know.
Yeah.
Wait, roll. Oh, wait, ready?
No.
3, 2, 1, now. Fuck. Are they under us? Are they under us? I can't see them.
They are.
We need to squawk at them some more. Should we do that instead? Should we do that one? Which one is that neutral?
Yes, it is neutral.
Neutral.
Neutral one.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, now. Oh, okay, we need to decide on one line. Okay, it's 3, 3. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. We should change location soon.
We should. No, hold on. Has he got a weapon? Is that a weapon? No, he's just...
We need to like
Can't go through this. Cannot go through this because
well,
it's like this.
we are birds, we can fly.
Yeah.
We must migrate.
We cannot go from this way, so we should go our way.
We should try to get to the tavern. Oh no, there's another one! Right behind you. We have another one.
I don't think we can jump there. Oh, we can't reverse. Oh man.
Sit down here. Let's go, sit on this here. Sit on this one. We need to sit on this. Hold on. I can't sit on this one. No, this one doesn't work. Let's sit on. We need to find. What's a good place to like sit as birds? Here, like birds like to sit on around restaurants, don't they? They love sitting on restaurants, like places around here. Yeah. I'm gonna sit on this here. There's another one.
It's me.
Someone else joined in. We look at this guy that's like got a coat. 3, 2, 1, now. Let's just be quiet for a bit. Let them just settle this in. Oh yeah, this is a good place. Let's just pretend we're statues, and when they pass here, we'll say that. Yep. Just be ready to. Wait, hold on. Wait. Is this guy gonna? 3, 2, 1, now. Wait, 3, 2, 1, now. Three, two, one, now. Oh, he's gonna join us. Good. 3, 2, 1, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go.
Oh no, we're just in the.
Oh, I think this is the perfect place because they keep coming here. They're kicking left. Don't fight each other. We're bird people. Bird people must stay strong together. Oh, it was almost harvest season. Fucking looking at it. Oh, 3, 2, 1, now. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Mine's on cooldown. Give it a minute.
Oh. Okay, what's another place that we can like sit? There's a lot of people out down there. We can like ask for food. Give food. Bread, please.
That is inconvenient. I think this place is inconvenient.
Oh, look at those guys. Oh.
What is it? Go.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes, come here.
Wait, what's going on? Okay. Oh, dude, we're having another one.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one, go. Should we do like the cheering? No wait, no. No.
Keep going.
We keep doing the sovereign citizen, yeah. Oh!
Oh shit! He got kicked. Oh shit!
We must flee! Quick! Run! Run! Oh no! They're killing our kind! No!
No, you know, the person that was Tipo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to run. We need to hide from the evil people. In here. Yes. In here. In here. Look out. In here.
Oh god. They killed one of us.
Oh, we died. Look at those humans over there. Doing their human stuff. 3, 2, 1. Look at them. They're just conducting business. Buying things. The only thing we want is breadcrumbs. Yeah, we want just bread. See? Look at another fighting.
How much money do you have?
I have 20 gold.
Can we go to see if we can buy sites and become bird people with sites on?
Scientists do this.
Let's try to sneak up on them. Stealth. No. And then try to sneak up by blending in. Like this. They will not notice us.
Oh,
Oh no! Run! Ah!
Wait, why were we kicked? Hold on, I don't understand. What the fuck?
Oh no! Run! Run away!
Were you guys kicked from the server?
No!
no.
I was kicked.
Retreat! Retreat! Oh no! The admin has seen us!
What if the admin? Wait, did the admin kick me only?
I don't know, probably. Oh, let's hide in here. Oh, I think we need to take a break.